One of the things to bear in mind in this dispute is the relatively low value of the automotive disputes compared to the mobile phones. So mobile phones, there are billions of devices sold every year. In automotive, it's nothing like that. And Daimler, who is at the centre of all this, sells only about 2 million Mercedes cars every year. So even if Daimler were to go out and take an Avanti license at the full price of $15, then Daimler would find itself paying less for cellular technology than it pays a single employee each year. Now, admittedly, that employee in this case is Lewis Hamilton. But the point here is that the amount in dispute in the automotive industry is a tiny, tiny fraction of the licensing that is going on relatively satisfactorily in the mobile phone industry. And what we need to be very careful of is about writing rules which are specific to the automotive industry and destroy an established licensing practice in an industry that is 99 times bigger.